What if I told you that the secret to happiness is having more time? Time to relax, time for your passions, or just time to breathe. In today's fast-paced world, finding free time can feel like finding gold. But what if I told you there's a way to create more time without working harder? More time means more happiness, and that is priceless. Today, I'm sharing a powerful tool that can help you work smarter, not harder, giving you back precious hours in your day. With Cursor AI, you can drastically increase your productivity. It provides intelligent code suggestions and auto-completions, allowing you to write code faster and with fewer mistakes. This means you spend less time on routine tasks and more time on what truly matters. Unlike traditional editors, Cursor AI understands the context in which you're working. It uses advanced algorithms to analyze your code and provide relevant suggestions, helping you maintain focus and efficiency. This contextual understanding means smoother workflows and less time wasted on fixing errors. Cursor AI integrates seamlessly with your favorite development environments like Visual Studio Code, PyCharm, and Jupyter Notebooks. It supports multiple programming languages, making it the perfect tool for any developer, whether you're writing Python, JavaScript, or C++. Whether you're working alone or with a team, Cursor AI's collaboration features and continuous learning capabilities enhance productivity. It learns from your coding style and provides increasingly accurate suggestions over time, allowing you to work more effectively and collaboratively, no matter where you are. Ready to start saving time? Getting Cursor AI is simple. Just visit their official website, download the installer for your OS, and follow the setup instructions. And no, this isn't a sponsored video. I'm sharing this because I genuinely want you to have more free time to do the things you love. Remember, working smarter isn't just about efficiency. It's about gaining back the time that is rightfully yours. Try Cursor AI today and start enjoying more free time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips on maximizing your productivity and freeing up your time.